We wrap things up in Manchester. Coach Rob Davis and the Barnegat Bengals opening the season at Manchester. Opening possession of the game, Manchester puts together a solid drive, but here comes the Barnegat defense. It's a fumble, and Danny Dugan recovers. It's time for the Bengals to go to work on offense, and it's time for the Paul Wk1 show. Taking the reverse handoff, Wk1, 34 yards, and it's time to shine the zone spotlight on the fastest high school athlete in Ocean County. That's right, Paul Wk1 won the 50 and 100 Ocean County track titles. He's a pretty darn good football player as well. We saw him last year pretty much at wide receiver. He's going to have much more of a role in the running attack for Barnegat. He's a big fan of the Family Guy, and I hope somebody in Barnegat gets him a cheeseburger on Saturday because he deserves it. And a great high benchmark goal. Paul Wk1 wants to run for 2,000 yards. He's off to a good start. Back to the action. Thanks to Wk1's 34-yard run, Shamar Jarrett gets Barnegat on the board, a 2-yard touchdown run, 7-0 Bengals. And more Barnegat defense. Eric Becker recovers a fumble. Second turnover created by the Barnegat D. And once again, the Bengals would capitalize. New quarterback Joe Monaco. He's going to the air. Nick Camardo, 40 yards, all the way down to the 5-yard line. It would lead to this. Josh Bowen, Manny's younger brother. From 1 yard out, it's 14-0 Barnegat in front. How about some more Bengals defense? Greg Schmaltz sacking Jerry Blackburn. And yeah, have some fun. Schmaltz winning the dance-off. It was 14-0 Barnegat at the half. Hey, give credit to Manchester. They played a pretty darn good second half. They were able to get back into the ballgame, but Barnegat hangs on for a 24-15 win. The Bengals open with a road win. Manchester got a lot of young talent on that team. Keep an eye out for the Hawks to get better in Bill Furlong's second season. But it's Barnegat with a Week 1 win on the road.